movie house na may wine. Game, let's try! So pupunta na tayo cause we're ready na for an awesome movie night. This is located sa level 4 Gateway Mall 2, so very easy to find. Lots of parking spaces also, so no worries. Pagdating mo sa topmost floor, you can chill muna sa lounge. Pwede ka mag-order muna ng snacks or drinks while waiting. Finally, pwede na daw pumasok, so let's go! Puntahan na natin ang designated seats natin. Second row from the front ang napili namin na seats. Ayos din dito dahil pwede ka mag-charge while watching a movie. Make sure you utilize well yung lazy boy. Super comfortable the seats kaya super sarap manood ng movie. You can order na using the call button dito sa gilid and they would bring you the food na to your seat. I think the slider sa alone is kulang so I ordered wine. And natapos na namin yung movie so nag-video muna. Hindi ko pa naubos yung wine so tinake out ko muna palabas ng cinema and I decided na ubusin na lang siya sa lounge. Afterwards, umalis na kami but maghahanap muna kami ng coffee shop outside. So nag-end up kami sa High Grounds Cafe dito sa Tomas Morato and super dami ng tao guys. It was a very good place na pagstayan naman. The coffee was good, the food was great, serving size-wise okay naman. So it was a very well-spent day. So if you want to try din na makapag-wine and sliders while watching movie, I'll share the link kung saan kayo pwede mag-book. And that's it. Thanks!